Hi there! I was just now looking at your website, and I have some suggestions for making it even better. If you will take 2 minutes to watch this short video, you will learn how you can get more paying customers with just a few simple changes to your website. And if you watch to the end of this video, I have an exclusive offer just for you. Tip number 1, your website must be mobile friendly. People today are more likely to use their phones than their computers to view your website. They want to be able to tap a button to call you, find your location, and read your website without pinching and zooming to find the information they want. Tip number 2, your website needs to capture leads and contact information so you can follow up with customers easily and efficiently. Tip number 3, your website needs to be connected to social media like Facebook, Google, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn so your news, events, and seasonal or special offers can be easily shared with potential customers and keep your business top of mind. Tip number 4, your website needs to have videos, photos, customer testimonials, and high-quality content to show that you are a reputable, established, and trustworthy business. Tip number 5, your website should answer frequently asked questions so your visitors can see your expertise. And now, since you took the time to watch this video through to the end, the surprise I have for you is a demonstration website that my team and I have created just for you. If you like what you see, we can customize it for you with your own logo, contact information, and photos, plus a special phone number that will let you track hot leads. Sound good? Call or email me today to lock in your special pricing before it's too late. Focus on doing what you do best and let us market your business. Contact me now.